Good morning and welcome to all BSc second year and third year students of Fishery Science. In online lecture series, we have studied and discussed enough detail about the mechanized crafts and non-mechanized crafts which is to be used to capture the fishes from inland waters and marine waters. In these different craft, some crafts these are to be mechanized, modern, and some craft these are to traditional. These are to be non-mechanized craft, in which catamaran, dugout canoes, Masula boat, Tuticorin boat, Rampani boat, all these boats, these different craft, these are the non-mechanized craft which is to be we have seen, and mechanized craft, that is the trawlers, all these are to be seen, these are to be studied. Now today we have discussed the next point which is important, and that point is the methods of fishing. This article, these are to be important for both second year as well as third year students of fisheries science, or those students in which syllabus there is to be points chapter, that is methods of fishing, inland and marine fishing methods. In these methods of fishing, those are the inland waters and those are the marine water. These are different fishing instrument, fishing devices, these are to be used, these are to be operated to capture the fishes. One by one we have seen in detail in this chapter methods of fishing, that is inland water fishing methods and marine water fishing method. Yes, methods of fishing. To see methods of fishing, there is a Chinese proverb we have heard everywhere, or in our Marathi language we have heard the number of proverbs. That is, if you have give a person a fish a day, what is the Chinese proverb? If you give a person a fish a day, you are giving him a meal for the day. You are giving him a meal for the day. But if you teach him how to fish, if you teach him how to fish, you provide him meals for the rest of his life. Means this is the simple proverb of Chinese proverb. If you have provided a fish which is to be provided, it is a meal for a day. But when we have teach that person how fish these are to be survive, how fish these are to be grow, how fish these are to be living, and how these fish these are to be increase their number of species, it is to be provided the meals for his rest life. Means fish culture, aquaculture or fishery culture is the important source for the human being's life, which is to provide the whole life. And that's why it is a Chinese proverb. And to this Chinese proverb, fishing is the art of catching. Fishing is the art of catching not only the fish but also other aquatic animals such as crabs, such as mollusks, such as prawns, and such as the other different crustaceans as well as the aquatic weeds. Means all these animals, not only fish is the catching, but other aquatic animals these are also captured. All it is called as the fishing. Or fishing is the art of catching not only the fish but also other aquatic animals is called as fishing. Any instrument that can use for catching fish or any aquatic animals that are called as fishing gears or nets or crafts. Any instrument, that instrument these are to be used to capture the fish, to catch the fish, and that instrument is called as the fishing gears, or that instrument is called as fishing nets or craft. A fishing gear is any device. Fishing gear is any device to catch fish in commercial fishing in commercial ways. That fishing device, that fishing instrument is called as gear, or it is also called as net. Gear or net. The implements used for catching the fish, the implement which is to be used for catching the fish are called as the fishing gear, are called as the fishing gear or fishing nets. And on which platform, or on which the platform to reach the fishing ground, to reach the central part of the water bodies, to capture the fishes, those platform which is to be used by fishermen, those platform which is to be used by a common fish farmer to reach the fishing ground, and on these platform it can be operated number of craft, number of boats, number of nets to catch the fish, to conduct fishing operations. It is called as the craft, or it is called as the fishing boats. What is meant by fishing boats, or what is meant by fishing craft? The implements, the device which is to be used for catching fish, that device is called as fishing craft, that device is called as fishing nets, that device is called as fishing gears. Working platform on which fishermen can sit down, one working platform on which fishermen can be sit down, and it can be reached, it can be entered in the fishing ground, and to conduct fishing operations successfully, effectively, that platform is called as boat, or that platform is called as the craft, or it is also called as the fishing ships, called as the fishing ships. A fishing gear is any device. Another definition of the net or gear: a fishing gear is any device that could be used to catch fish or aquatic animals. A fishing gear is any device that could be used to catch fish or aquatic animals. In commercial fishing, that device is called as nets, and it is used all over in India to capture the fishes from marine water as well as from the fresh water. Hence, this device, these are to be called as fishing nets or the fishing gears. The study of fishing gear and net and craft, the study of fishing gear and nets and craft should be aimed to understanding of the principles, involved in the design and working of the gear, those principles which is to be involved to design the net, to design the craft, to design the boats, or to construct the net and boat. That design and working of that net and that boat, working of that boat and that net or gear is so that its efficiency is to be economic way, its efficiency is to be economically judged, and it is to be actively operate and used to capture number of fishes on large quantities, on more quantities. It is called as the fishing craft, and the device is called as fishing net. Fishing is considered to be the earliest form of hunting. Fishing is to be considered as the earliest form of hunting and the world's oldest industry. What is meant by fishing? Fishing is to be considered to be the earliest form of hunting. Remember that. It is to be asked for MCQ. It is to be asked for MCQ. That is, fishing is considered to be the earliest form of hunting and the world's oldest industry. Which is the world's oldest industry? Fishing is the world's oldest industry and earliest form of hunting. Fishing method is the manner or method in which fishing methods is the manner or methods in which the fish may be captured or caught. Fishing techniques include fishing gears as well as fishing method. Fishing techniques, these are to be include those gears which is to be used, those nets, these are to be used, as well as in which method fishes these are to be caught, these are to be captured. Any instrument which can be effectively operated, to catch the fish or aquatic animals called as the fishing nets or fishing gear. Means there are number of definitions of nets and gears according to your imagination, according to your opinion. The definition these are to be put forth, definition these are to be given, and this definition these are to be ideal, suitable for the fish catching and fishing. Hence, any instrument which can be effectively operated to catch the fish or the aquatic animals, and that method, that instrument is called as fishing nets or the fishing gear. This fishing technology is a subject of enormous complexity. Fishing technology, that may be inland water, that may be marine water, it is a subject of enormous complexity. Number of tremendous changes, number of tremendous new arrivals these are to be occur, number of changes these are to be occur, and day by day this fishing industry these are to be a very complex and arise a tremendous changes. The art of fishing can be done by following manner. How fishes these are to be caught, these are to be captured, which is to be seen, which is to be studied by following way, by following manner. That is the art of fishing can be done by following ways or the following manners. Number 1, subsistence fishing. How fishing these are to be done, how fishing these are to be performed. Number 1 is the subsistence fishing. The fishing practiced by fishermen to earn money for his livelihood conditions. The fishing practiced by the fishermen to earn money for his livelihood conditions, it is called as subsistence fishing. What is meant by subsistence fishing? The fishing practiced by the fishermen to earn money for his livelihood condition, for his own benefit, for his own family, when fishing is to be done, for the perform of therefore subsistence of family, that is called as the subsistence fishing. फक्त कुटुंबाचा उपजीविका करण्यासाठी किंवा कुटुंबाचे उदरनिर्वाह करण्यासाठी when fishes these are to be caught, captured, it is called as the subsistence fishing. फक्त कुटुंब उपजीविकेसाठी, कुटुंबाच्या उदरनिर्वाहासाठी when fishes these are to be caught, captured, it is to be a less extent, minimum extent, it is called as subsistence fishing. Second is called as sport fishing. The fishing practiced for sport, pleasure, recreation are called as the sport fishing. Sport fishing म्हणजे काय? The fishing these are to be done, fishing these are to be performed for the sports, for pleasure, for recreation. That fishing is called as the sport fishing. छंद म्हणून, रिक्रिएशन म्हणून, आनंद म्हणून जेव्हा फिशिंग केली जाते त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? स्पोर्ट फिशिंग. And third is the commercial fishing. Third is the commercial fishing. The fishing is practiced for profits or benefit. Fishing is to be practiced for profits or benefit as a business, to earn more or excess money. To earn more or excess money, that fishing is called as the commercial fishing. That fishing is called as commercial fishing. Means these three types of subsistence, these three types of fishing these are to be done, these are to be performed. One is the subsistence fishing, second is the sport fishing, and third is the commercial fishing, in which common fishermen can capture fishes in less quantity, small quantity, just up to 5 kg, up to 10 kg. It is the subsistence fishing. When fishes these are to be caught, captured by recreation, by pleasure, by sport, it is called as sport fishing. And when fishing these are to be done more than 50 kg, more than 100 kg, more than 1 quintal, then it is called as the commercial fishing. For fishing the fish and other aquatic animals from ancient times to the today's modern periods, for fishing the fish and other aquatic animals from ancient time to the today's modern period, there are three main types of fishing methods used in India as well as all over the world. There are three main types these are to be used. Means for fishing fish and other aquatic animals from ancient time to the today's modern period, there are three main types of fishing methods used in India as well as in foreign country also, all the rest of the world also. These three methods these are to be used. Which are these three methods? One, traditional fishing method, second, conventional fishing methods, and third is the unconventional fishing methods. Traditional fishing methods, conventional fishing method second, and third is the unconventional fishing method. Then one by one we have seen. When fishes or any aquatic animals were caught, captured, when fishes or any aquatic animals were captured with the local conditions, without any instrument, without any device, without any craft and gears or modern techniques and tools, when fishes these are to be caught, these are to be captured by a traditional manner, by a traditional way, by an ancient way. That fishing is called as the fishing by traditional methods. It is called as the fishing by traditional method. Means there is no any instrument, there is no any device, there is no any techniques, tools these are to be used to adapt to capture the fish or the aquatic animal. When fishes these are to be caught, captured in such a way, in such a manner, that method is called as the traditional fishing methods. Fishing by traditional methods. Or second, those methods have generally been established or recognized by general consent for the captured or accepted throughout the world. General consent or the concept these are to be used, accept throughout the world, and with this consent, fishes these are to be caught, these are to be captured all over India or all over the world. That method is called as the fishing by conventional methods. Fishing by conventional methods or conventional fishing method means fishes these are to be caught, these are to be captured generally by established or well recognized general consent, or those techniques, tools these are to be accepted whole worldwide. That technique these are to be used to capture the fishes. That is called as the conventional method, or those fishing method generally accepted or confirm the standards which are set up, developed. These methods are called as the conventional fishing methods. In conventional fishing methods can be done by proper way and proper manner with confirmed standard acceptance. That method is called as the conventional fishing method. When fishes are captured by without any standard methods, when fishes these are to be caught, captured without any standard methods and standard devices, standard techniques and tools, but it is to be captured by any miscellaneous methods, by any miscellaneous way. That way these are to be helped to capture the aquatic animals in inland water or in marine water. That fishing method is called as fishing by unconventional fishing methods. Unconventional fishing method means there is no technique, there is no tools, there is no standard consent how to catch the fish, how to capture the fish, but fishes these are to be caught, these are to be captured without this tools, technique, by any miscellaneous method. It is called as the fishing by unconventional methods. The fishes or aquatic animals were captured. The fishes or aquatic animals were captured by any non-standard and non-scientific technique methods. Non-standard and non-scientific techniques or tools or ways. That method is called as the unconventional fishing method. This type of fishing method is called as the unconventional fishing methods. And with this we have seen just what is meant by fishing. That fishing may be are of three types: subsistence fishing, second is the sport fishing, third is the commercial fishing. And whole worldwide three methods these are to be used to capture the fishes in India as well as in foreign countries, rest of the world. That is the first, traditional fishing method by traditional manner. Second, conventional fishing method, techniques, tools, modern procedure these are to be adopted. That is called as conventional fishing methods. And third is the unconventional fishing methods. There is no techniques, tools, miscellaneous way, random way. Fishes these are to be caught, captured. It is called as the unconventional fishing method. With this first part we have seen that methods of fishing, general introduction, and these three methods. Hope you understood these three fishing methods. Any problem, please ask. Thank you, all of you.